Good morning and happy Vlogmas day 19. Oh boy, I had a rough night. Well, I didn't have a rough night. I had a really rough time falling asleep last night. Had a million things going on in my head and I tossed and turned and finally decided I was wasting my time and got up again. Anyways, ended up sleeping really well, but for a very short period of time, unfortunately. I have a hair appointment this morning and I'm going to try to take a little bit of footage. I mean, this is my daughter-in-law's salon, so I'm feeling a little more comfortable taking video and pictures and things. And then when we're done there, I have to go to a store and get a present for my dad because we are going to be celebrating his birthday and Christmas on Saturday. And I think I was telling you all of this in yesterday's video, but then tonight we are going to go watch one of our grandsons play hockey and then go out for dinner. So I don't know how much time I'm going to have to spend home today, but hopefully there's going to be plenty of opportunities for me to take some footage and take you along and turn this into a semi-interesting video for you to watch. But let's start with our Kylie and the Machine calendar. Now, in yesterday's box, and I'm checking now, there really was only one label in mine, and there should have been two. So, and it did not fall. There's no way they can fall in other little boxes. So I don't know what happened to my other label. Anywho, number 19, when you really like the thing. So let's see. All right, I do have two today, which is good. Oh. Can you see that? J'adore. In French, which means I really love. Nice. I do love the colors. Both labels are identical today. All right. God, I cannot wait to get this thing taken care of. So I'm going to leave it here for now, get myself over to the salon, and I'll see you in a bit. And I am out of the salon. Love my new hair. She basically just changed the color a little bit. And yeah, no cut this time. It took a while, but hey. Now I'm just waiting for hubby to get back in the car. And then we're off to buy a few things for my dad's birthday on Saturday. And yeah, I need to get some food because it's right now probably around 1 o'clock in the afternoon and I have yet to eat anything today. So yeah, some food in me and then some shopping. And then I'll check in when that is done. See you in a bit. And we are home. My goodness, this was a really long day. It's a little bit after 6. We did change what we ended up doing today. So I know the last time I chatted to you, I was in the car waiting for Dougie. We were going to go run some errands. And I was saying how hungry I was. Well, what we ended up doing is not eating right away, but going to do all of the shopping and then going home, putting all the things away, and then going to the town where our grandson was playing hockey tonight and had a very early dinner there, and then watched the hockey and came home. So I had, you can call it a very late lunch or a super early dinner. We ended up eating, it was 3:30, something like that. But the good news is it's 6 o'clock. I'm home and I don't have to cook dinner or do dishes after dinner. And yeah, I can come down here and get started sewing on my Ilford jacket, which is the plan for tonight. And I'm not going to stop basically until I'm ready to go to bed. So hopefully before I end today's video, I'm going to be able to show you a lot of progress on my Ilford, maybe even a finished Ilford. So let's say it's 6 o'clock right now. Let's say by 9 p.m. Let's look at how far I've gotten. All right, so I'll see you in a bit. And I am back. It is almost 10 o'clock, but it is 95% done. Yay! So I'm missing the buttonholes and the buttons, but I can get that done tomorrow or over the weekend. The sleeves are a little bit long, and I think Christine warned me about that, and I completely forgot to adjust the length of the sleeves. But it's no biggie because I usually turn those up anyways. But I'll just give you a very quick look. There we go. Excuse the crazy Batman pants. But yeah, I love it. Love it. The length is exactly what I wanted. It's super comfy. And once those sleeves are turned up, I don't think it's going to look so big on me. Like, it's much better when the sleeves are turned up. And that's how I'm going to wear it all the time. So I absolutely love it. Love it. And the inside is all Hong Kong finished. So there you go. I am done. Well, almost done with the Ilford jacket. I'm super happy. So really, really hoping I can get those buttonholes and the buttons sewn on this weekend. Although it's probably not going to stop me wearing it just like this. I'm never going to wear it buttoned up anyways. But yeah, I'm super pleased. Yay! All right, well, like I said, it is almost 10 o'clock, so I'm definitely going to end today's video here. I hope you had a wonderful day 19, and I will see you tomorrow for day 20. Bye.